Okay, guys. So we just I just shipped my luggage. Yeah, they didn't speak any English, so it actually wasn't too bad. I literally just showed them the address and then asked them if they could, or use translator if they could help me fill out the address because it's kind of confusing. But they're really nice about it. And it only costs like 2,100 yen, probably about like $17. But it does help a lot because I do not want to carry my luggage across. We're gonna go grab Burger King because we need to do a video on that. It's literally around the corner. Let me show you guys. So, this is my place. And we're here. Okay. Okay, let's see. That looks good. Value. Waffle. Mexican avocado. That one looks very enticing. Ooh, let's get this. Beverage. Let's see what the menu is. Yeti burger. What the hell? I actually don't know. Do you have a shrimp burger? A fish burger? Cool value. Let's just get I don't want to spend too much. Maybe because of Whoppers. Let's just do a smoky barbecue Whopper. This is my senior set. Fries are two. Chili cheese fries. Change beverage two. I actually don't have that much. What the heck? Oh, let's do golden cheesy nuggets. With just do 8-piece barbecue. Whoops. That should be enough. I should make a hash brown. Okay. Yep.
What do you call? He said, that's okay. What am I missing? Oh, chicken nuggets? I guess I'm waiting for nuggets? Okay, that's okay. Okay, so mine is still coming. Is that on purpose? Oh. That's cool. Okay. Even the freaking shell system is pretty cool. What's this then? Oh, I'm missing the apple pie. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's barbecue sauce. Wait, what's it? So they actually give you a sauce container. What's the crazy part? They have hash browns here. Hash browns. Super oily though, and thin, but crunchy. The barbecue sauce is a little bit more smoky. This is their golden crispy nuggets. There's cheese inside. Oh, this was 1,300 yen. 1,360. Again, your barbecue smoky burger. There's a shit ton of mayonnaise. I mean, it's just a nice warm burger. I think I see my chocolate pie. Fresh off the fryer. I don't know. Honestly, like, these nuggets are right. I got this on nice. It's so hot. That's the only difference that you can tell that like they just prepared it. Okay, so far, South Korea wins because they have coconut shrimp. And their fries, you can get like powder, seasoning powder, and shake it up. And these nuggets are good. This is so oily. The fact that you can get a burger, medium-sized fries, and a drink for 650 yen, that's a steal. Even in the States, it's like at least $7. That's crazy. This Burger King is popping. Even McDonald's is popping. All the food places. Actually, you know what I noticed? The food came out in like 5 minutes. Not even, maybe. Yeah. Sometimes in the States it'll take like 15 minutes. Okay, I think this, oh, it's still hot. Do they fry these fresh? No filling. So far. It tastes like pastry and dark chocolate powder. It's very dark. I don't even think that's sweet. I think the pastry is actually sweeter than the actual filling. For Burger King standards. 7 out of 10. Korea would be 9 out of 10. States would be 4 out of 10. Finished up here. Now I'm gonna go to McDonald's. Yeah.